Good morning, YouTube. As you saw in the news, there's been some significant changes in stock prices and valuations and cryptocurrencies, and I wanted to take a little bit of time to tell you my thoughts on it and show you the moves that I actually did. Now, I don't sell based on bad news generally. There are some stocks I'd like to sell, but let me cover with you what I did this couple weeks. Crypto dropped. Some of it dropped like 50%, which is a significant discount. A lot of the stocks that I track only dropped back to rates they were at in October, and I'll show you that. But Ethereum and Bitcoin and Solana dropped significantly. So I bought more Ethereum. I bought this Ethereum purchase at probably 25% down. And then Bitcoin also at that price. Then later, when it dropped even further, I found this promotional at Celsius, where if I transfer 20,000 in Ethereum to Celsius, they will give me $820 in Ethereum, which is a pretty significant portion of the 20,000. And so I bought, when it dropped, another 10,000 of Ethereum, and also 5,000 of Solana, which you've seen I've been staking. And those are the things I did. In addition, I bought football pads and a deal for the soccer store in soccer clothes, mostly jerseys and things like that. The things I would like to buy more of are Home Depot, VIG. I'd like to get into Pepsi. I'm not currently into that. And I would like to sell my Disney, Fox A, and a couple speculative stocks that I have. Now, let me cover with you how I view the stocks. So, let's go to the index here, dividend index fund that I have. Now, if you look at just one day or even 5 days, an opportunity as far as how much it's went down. And that's not working, so let me switch to Home Depot. It's like a huge opportunity. Even a month, you're seeing a peak of 415. It's down at 359. But the reason 49, the reason I haven't bought yet is if you look at the 1 year chart, basically you're seeing that the overstimulus in the economy caused it to go from about here all the way to the peak, and then when they anticipated the stimulus would go away, then it went back down to here. So I'm really looking at buying more in the range that it was back here, maybe the low 300 range, maybe 310 for Home Depot. And it's not that price yet, even though it's a significant drop from its peak. Right now it's still at the price that it was back in October. And VIG is an index fund. You see it? It's the same way. And so it's at 159, which is the price it was back in October. So really you're just missing this hump. This isn't a significant discount. It's a discount to what it was, 4 or 5 days ago, but it's not a discount to the overall valuation of that product. And so I haven't bought any stocks now. If you looked at crypto, let's see if we can get the Ethereum price real quick here. You'll see a different chart. So you look at the 1 year chart on Ethereum right now, it was down at 2,500. And that's pretty significant. That's back down here where it was in August. So this is a pretty significant discount to its peak and even lower than its last peak. And so, this is what I considered a good price. In addition, if we can check, see if we can, Bitcoin, you'll see similar price fluctuations where it's down back where it is here in the last value. And Solana is similar. And I staked Solana, so I wanted some more of that. Now, if I buy more crypto, which I don't plan to at this point, I would probably buy Matic, maybe Cardano, although I don't like how Cardano has been really slow to get smart contracts going. But those two I would probably buy more of. And then I would like to have a total of one Bitcoin, and I'm not at that point yet on Bitcoin. But what I really like to buy is more Home Depot stock and more index funds in a taxable account that I can access all the time and use the dividends for more purchases. Well, I just wanted to share with you, and again, I haven't sold anything. I don't sell on bad news. Bad news is what makes the herd move. And if you're going to be a good investor, you don't move with the herd. Either you can move before the herd moves, or you can not move when they move. But you don't want to stick with the herd if that makes you really sell low and buy high. And you want to do the opposite, which is buy low and sell high. So I just wanted to share that with you this morning to give you a little of what I was doing. So if you're holding things, and the way I think about it is kind of like if I bought Bitcoin, let's say I bought it at 3,900 and it was a good investment. Then when it drops to 2,400, it's an even better investment. And if I don't buy at 2,400, then I probably shouldn't have bought it at 3,900 because that was the worst price for that investment. So that's just how I think about it, and it's a little different than the logic and the fear guide you. And like and subscribe to the video if you'd like. There's a Celsius link down below. You can open the account. They have some promotions for some transfers into there, and you'll get some free crypto when you join. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.